Loyal customers are the bedrock of every business. You need them for your business to thrive. So how do you get loyal customers to patronize you in your fashion business? I want to give you 5 tips for getting loyal customers today. If you do this, I assure you, you'll see your customer base change. Number 1, be courteous. When people come into your business to patronize you, be very, very courteous. Don't go taking people for granted. There's a general concept that when people come to you, address them honorably. Call them ma, sir. Don't go calling sis. Don't go calling dear, especially. Don't go calling dear. So that is one way you will get people to take you seriously. Number 2, be very professional about your business. Be very professional. Make sure you take calls or you return calls. When people send you text messages, respond quickly. Don't be the kind of business person who leaves their messages for hours without response. It can discourage people from patronizing you, especially when people are serious-minded and they are very busy at what they do. They want you to attend to them as quickly as possible. Number 3, keep your promise. When you say, I am going to deliver on this date, make sure you keep to that date of delivery. Don't say, I am going to deliver on Tuesday, and then on Tuesday you start telling stories. That is very, very discourteous to your customers, and it is something that will discourage people from patronizing you. So make sure you keep your promise. I know a lot of fashion designers who say it is a normal thing for fashion designers to disappoint, but you don't have to follow the crowd. Make sure you are standing out with your business. You are delivering on time according to the date that you have promised. That way, people will take you seriously and they will come back again and again. The next thing I want to tell you is make sure you know your job very well. There is no other alternative to a good job delivery. If you want people to patronize you and keep patronizing you, ensure that each time people come to you, you give them a good job. So it is left to you as a fashion designer to ensure that you learn very well your trade. Learn your trade, make sure you get a right fitting, make sure you get a right finishing done. Don't do a shoddy job and expect that people will come back to patronize you. It may not work out for you that way. So I encourage you to make sure you do a good job. That's the ultimate. Anyone who is parting with their money would desire to have a good finishing. And that's the least you can deliver on the job if you want loyal customers. And finally, learn to appreciate your customers. It could be a message, a text message. It could be a voice note. It could be a phone call from time to time. Learn to say thank you, especially if you've not heard from them from a while. Call to say, how are you doing, ma? How are you doing, sir? And tell them how much you appreciate their patronage. When they pay you, don't just receive money and keep quiet. Receive money, acknowledge that you receive money, and appreciate them for paying and patronizing your business. The more you do this, the more you encourage loyal customers. Loyal customers are people who patronize your business and who come back to patronize you over and over again. Usually, there are a few in every business compared to the majority. But I assure you that these are your major customer base. These are the people that can turn your business around. These are the people that can help you to make good sales, to bring in profit, so that at the end of the day, your business can thrive. Your business will, flourish when you have a large customer base of loyal customers. So in everything that you do, make sure you are looking out for people who you can gain as your loyal customers. So watch out for the next video. Bye for now.